Hello guys, welcome to another Audacity tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how the introduction to all these tools like the selection tool, and we have the envelope tool, and we have words, we have sorry we have draw tool, we have multi tool, we have time shift, and we have zoom tool. So these are the tools that we are going to check out today, and we are going to see how these tools, we're going to see how they are working. So if you are ready, let's get started. But click on the subscription button if you are new to this channel. So now, before all these two will work, we really have to input and import um, a file. So I'm going to bring in one jingle that's edited, and then I'm gonna paste it here, and then let's begin to make use of this too. Now, but before the what is it called? The general one, that is the default tool, is this. It is called the selection tool. The selection tool is, as is already been highlighted. If I click on this place, it will begin to play, right? So you can actually move it, just pause, you can move it to 0, and then you can drag it to this side. So that's the selection tool. That's what is it's used for. Like, I can jump to 15 seconds and it's going to play. I can jump to 30 seconds and it's going to play. I can jump to 45 seconds and then it's going to play. So that is the work of the selection tool. Are you getting it? And this is the slider. You can move this slider to the right, and then you move the slider to the left. Now, let us talk about the one that is down there, and that is the zoom tool. This zoom tool is very important. By the time we begin the re-editing in Audacity, you will see the importance of this zoom tool. So let me click on this place, and then let me click on this. You see, as I'm zooming, I'm seeing the wavefront. You can see it's kind of very small here. So if I press on right click, it's getting slow. I mean, zooming in. If I click on left, it's gonna zoom it out. You could see, so you can actually check it out. It's very useful if you want to actually detect some error, if you want to edit, if you want to just silence some place. This what is it called? This zoom tool is very important. It's going to zoom it out for you, and you have to click on select to back if you want to keep selecting. So I'll go back to select to. Are you getting it? So now the next thing is this envelope tool. This envelope tool is actually important. If I click on envelope tool, you could see something here. But if envelope tool wants to work, you have to stop the audio. So once you click on stop, and then you could see that a sign has actually come to this place. Let me use zoom tool to zoom it so that you see very well, and then let me go back to envelope tool, and this envelope tool is like, it's going to decrease. If I put it down, it's going to decrease the sound, like it's as if and then you can increase it too. You see, if I play, is the sound is going to be low. You see, if I stop and I click on envelope 2 again, and then I can make it big, you can see. But on this envelope 2, I can decided that, okay, from 30 seconds here. Okay, let me stop. From this place, I can decide that from 30 seconds, 3.0 seconds to this 8.0. So I can decide to, you see, lower this side, and I can make the other. So it is as if you are just selecting the one that you really want to increase. You can increase it. See, you can increase it, and you can as well decrease it. So that is the work of the envelope too. So let me go back to selection 2, and let's see the next one. This one is called time shift. What's the function of this time shift? This time shift is used to move. You can see, look at this side here. I've used it to move. I move this thing out. You can move it to the right, can move it to the left. You see, so that's the function. And if I move to the right and I play from this place, you will see that there will be silence, and then it will begin to play from this side. So that's the function of time shift. So let's go back to select two. Okay, let me move this one. You can try it. Just move it back to this place. So let's move to the next one. The next one here is draw two. What is the function of this draw two? To You can see, to use draw, zoom in further until you can see the individual sample. So if you want to zoom, let's click on this and try to zoom. Let's click on this one, and well, this draw to, maybe in the next video I'm still going to explain its work, but I've not really been able to enjoy this draw to because it always complain. But I'm so sure that it really has some real works that it does. Okay, it has some work that it does. So let me zoom back again, and the last one here is let's say this multi two. Multi two is you can see multi two is as if you are, is it really highlighting? Okay, multi two is more or less it's working. Okay, maybe it's working like highlighting too. So multi tool. And in the next video, okay, we still have some tools here. This is okay, they are not tools. In the next video, we're going to talk about all these extra word. But I believe that you're able to get the selection tool, you're able to get the zooming, you're able to get envelope and this time shift. But these two one, yeah, we still make some research and see how the functions. And if you're there, probably you know the functions, you can actually uh comment in the comment section below. So those are the tools that we've done so far, and then I really want to put it into practice. Once again, selection 2, the zoom 2, zooming it out, and this for like decreasing it and increasing, and this for moving, you can see. And these two probably they have their homework, but we're yet to get it. And the last one. So I want to believe that you enjoyed this video. As we keep progressing in this Audacity tutorial, please remember to subscribe and hit on the like button. I'm going to see you in the very next video.